Damn! Yoshi, what happened?
Scott.
What the hell is this?
Oh, well, that will be nice.
This is gonna be the interesting thing. Staircase. Narrow. Super narrow. And then there goes our kitchen. 42-inch island, L shape. Very simple kitchen. No problema, no dilemma, but obviously you gotta carry this stuff up here. So as always, when you go to Bay Area, you know that things are not gonna be as simple as we do in the valley, but the views are kind of cool. Look at that. It's like the ocean. Alright, so we're gotta go pick up a piece from another house. Sink is coming, so that's the next thing we're doing right now. And it's a little bit fun driving in Bay Area. Look at this truck. Potholes everywhere. Man, $3.4 trillion GDP California. I'd figure the roads would be better, but it's worse than freaking Russia. No. Did like 4 months ago. You gotta carry all this stone from the garage all the way up to all these. So that's the first unit. There's our piece. All right, so let's set up.
I doubt you looked at this yourself. I want to see it.
No joke.
Serious?
I have a video of it, yeah. Because what happened?
Это вот, можно себе открутить, оно не это вот.
Что это вот?
Он может прижал, поэтому.
Ну, обожди, ну tell us something.
Вот, смотри, видишь?
Ой, завтра ты будешь на YouTube.
Видишь, поднялась.
Слышишь?
Ага.
Did you screw it in?
Put it on my feet.
What the hell? To carry it out. All right. Yeah.
Leave it on?
No, more for
Yeah.
Alright, if you do it any other way, what would happen is you're gonna chip the inside of the corners. Alright? So it's very important to do it exactly the way I did it. And then you just go back, break up these little tabs, and basically you got a clean cutout. You just gotta Я там две кухни недавно сделал. Okay. Machine, go in. Damn! Yoshi, what happened?
Что?
What the hell is this?
Кухню неправильно установили.
They put the sink in the wrong place. The stone was cut after, the sink's in the wrong place. Alright, totally screwed this one up. I cut on the center. Instead of 51, I cut 57. I don't know how the hell did that happen, but mistakes do happen. So,
Yeah, this mistake cost me a couple grand.
yeah, we're close to $2,000 in the hole on this one. So, man, we gotta come back and fix it. So purchase a new piece, come back on new labor, a road trip 2 hours. So it ain't office work, you know. People say that we do easy jobs, you know, walking up staircases, taking upon all risk, and then obviously there's some reward most of the time, but sometimes, you know, free labor, you know, does happen. So let's get home. We're gonna have to purchase another piece. We're gonna have to come back another 2 hours one way, 2 hours another way. This piece was about $1,000, and obviously there's 3 of us, so we'll have some fun. Be back. Oh, hopefully you can get the cooktop, then we can cut that at the same time, yeah? What kind of time?
Put it inside.
All right, today was a day and a half. I tell you what, started out the year strong with the first screw up. Last year, I didn't have any. This year, we have the first one on the books, all right? So a couple of $1,000 in the trash can, but it's all right. We'll make it back. We'll make Uncle Sam proud. And, you know, some days you get paid to work. Some days you pay to work. Today was one of those days. We'll finish up strong. Tomorrow we'll do better. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Appreciate it.
Oh, well, that will be nice.